Inspired daw sa real-life happening sa mundo ng showbiz ang Philippine adaptation ng French series na Call My Manager. Si Judy Ann Santos na isa sa mga bida, inangkin daw ang ibinigay sa kanyang role. Nasa frontline ng balitang yan, si MJ Marfori.
Funny, painful, at chaotic. Yan ang mga eksena sa Philippine adaptation ng French series na Call My Manager. Bigatin ang mga cast. Sina Judy Ann Santos, Edu Manzano, Gina Alahar, at RK Bagatching. Si Juday, nag-enjoy daw dahil nagkaroon ng switch sa roles. Mula sa pagiging prime superstar, naranasan niyo kung paano ang buhay ng mga talent manager.
You were on the mature side.
Mature as in matanda?
Pero kailangan magpa-breast augmentation ni Kirek.
Ha?
Isa pang interesting, gaganap ang mga celebrity as themselves.
It's really fun to look at on the screen because you don't know if it's real or not.
Me playing my character as a manager, I actually had fun. Yes, I really actually had fun. When Direct Eric pitched the concept to me, I didn't have to think about it. When I learned who the cast is, parang, okay, let's do this. Akin na yan, that's mine.
Daan-daan din ang showbiz cameos sa HBO Max series na ito mula sa A-list actors at reporters like yours truly na gumanap as ourselves. Pero hindi lang yan ang real.
The whole series is parang, inspired by real life happenings in show business. We don't know, we don't want to name names, but siguro if people are really observant of what's happening inside the entertainment world, they would be able to guess who are these people.
Love letter daw ito ni Direk Eric na na-inspire ikwento mga nangyayari sa industriya dahil sa yumaong showbiz matriarch na si Mother Lily Monteverde.
We want to bring in as much love into the show because we might not be able to do another show like this again. So I think we've put in all the love that we could. It's fun and it's heartfelt, endearing.
Kakaiba at bagong storya ang handog nito sa mga manonood.
I think we're leaving with a greater appreciation of the people behind the scenes.
I'm so excited.
Exciting talaga.
Ang lausin ng dugo nyo. O damihan nyo, damihan nyo, damihan nyo, damihan nyo.
Showing na ang Call My Manager sa HBO Max. Nagbabalita mula sa Frontline. MJ Marfori, News 5.
Mga kapatid, Jervy Wrightson po. Eto na nga. Para sa latest showbiz news at iba pang kay-alaman, mag-follow at mag-subscribe na sa social media pages ng News 5.